Hey guys, welcome to Tech Corner. With me here is Redmi A5. I just got it for 100,000 naira. Follow me, let's find out if this Redmi A5 is a budget beast or a budget brat. Let's dive in. Redmi A5 comes equipped with massive 5200 mAh battery that can easily last through a full day of heavy use. Whether it's work or play, this battery ensures you stay power. With 32 megapixel AI dual camera, it has fingerprint plus face unlock. For just 100,000 naira, this sounds so good to be true. Let's find out if the Redmi A5 is a budget beast or a budget brat. This Redmi A5 comes in 4 colors: the midnight black, sandy gold, lake green and ocean blue. But I got the midnight black for this particular review. Let's find out. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button. Whenever we drop video, you'll be the first to watch it. Now let's talk about the build and the design. The Redmi A5 has a clean matte finish that does not feel cheap, but it's clearly built for budget buyers. The 6.88 inches display with an impressive HD display is offering a bigger, brighter and smoother viewing experience. Whether you're streaming, reading or gaming, the display ensures vibrant visuals and easy readability. The refresh rate is up to 120 Hz for ultra smooth scrolling and interaction. This screen makes Redmi A5 not only visual delights but also a productivity tool you will enjoy every day. The Redmi A5 has two variants. It comes in 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage. We also have the 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It is expandable. The 3GB RAM variant can be expanded to 6GB and the 4GB RAM can be expanded to 8GB. These configurations are ideal for users who value functionality without compromising affordability. The good news is that both fingerprint and face unlock are fast and reliable. At this price, that is so impressive. Once you tap the fingerprint, it opens. You put the face ID, it opens immediately. Let's talk about the battery. The Redmi A5 comes with a quick massive 5200 mAh battery that can easily last through a full day of heavy use. Whether it's work or play, this battery ensures you stay up powered. It's 15-watt fast charging, getting you back to track quickly and efficiently. The Redmi A5 runs an Android 15 Go edition. It is lightweighted, optimized for low-end device, clean interface, but keep expectation low in terms of features. So if you're needing extra features, meaning it's not this Redmi A5, or if you're on a budget, this Redmi A5 is the best. Let's talk about the camera. The Redmi A5 redefined photography in each category, equipped with 32 megapixel AI dual camera system that enable users to capture professional. Redmi A5 redefined photography in each category, equipped with 32 megapixel AI dual camera photos and videos on the go. Whether you are documenting your everyday life or capturing vibrant moments,
Is the Redmi
this
A5
camera
worth
setup
100,000 naira?
delivers
Yes,
crisp,
if you're looking for a simple phone
results.
that will give you the basic need or the basic tasks that will make call for you, the camera and the battery, Redmi A5 is a solid pick for you. But if you're a gamer or a camera enthusiastic, meaning you need to opt higher, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're rocking the Redmi A5, tell us your experience in the comment section and don't forget to hit that bell button so that whenever I drop the video, you'll be the one to be notified. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Our target is to hit 1k follower before the end of this year. Please do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button if you find this video helpful.